Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, Booba? How'd you open the fridge? What you got? Let me see. What have you chosen? Good choice. You like that? You like that? You like salad? Okay, you're sliding. Hold on, you're sliding. There, she's sliding, honey. Yeah, I like it. Oh no! The fishy, not fishy's not ready yet. It has to be cooked first. Today is November 19th, 2009. Why are you eating the fishy plastic bag? Let's put it back in the fridge. And put the salad. Put the meat over here. And put the salad bag back. Excuse me. Let's say goodbye to the refrigerator. Bye bye. Let's go back. Oh, hello. Who's this person? Okay. Yes. Bye bye refrigerator. Bye 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 bye. Oh. Sorry. You okay? Oh, he does.